fishing. Just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over there.
So, lifers, kind of an update video. I'm gonna let y'all know what's going on. Everybody knows I'm working a new job by now that knows me anyway. Video's gonna kind of slow down. I'm gonna try to get a video up every Thursday. Any extra videos I get will be on Tuesday and Sunday. Tuesday will be the first extra video, Sunday will be the second extra if I manage to get 3 in a week. Hunting season coming up, I might manage that. But this is going to be a little bit of everything. Yeah, when I get my job down like I want it, we should be able to get back to at least 2 videos a week, probably 3. We're just going to have to see. But I wanted y'all to know that. I'm not abandoning you, just slowed down because of my job. Now let's talk about what we're going to do today. Okay, the camera. It's the only flaw I can find with that camera from Walmart, that Moultrie from Walmart. Is the infrared will screw up. It'll screw up bad. All I'm getting at night is just black pictures. I gotta take it into the house, get into a totally dark room, activate it 3 or 4 times, then turn the lights on and activate it, then bring it back. I'm gonna try to get it back out. I can't get a totally dark room in my house until it gets dark. I'm gonna try to bring it back tomorrow evening and put it back out. But we're seeing quite a few deer. Dogs have showed up. I ain't seen any big deer yet, but I imagine they're only coming through at night, and that's probably what we're getting. The nighttime pictures. And I'm gonna walk through the woods. I'm gonna bring y'all along for that too. Alright, the reason I'm walking in the woods is my neighbors that just bought the property next to us are building a nice fence. And I'm wanting to see if it comes this far back, because they don't own as far back as I do. And it does. It's gonna be some thick walking. I might have to cut y'all off. We're gonna try to do it together. Oh, further back. Hang on. Alright, well, I'm not going to walk all the way to the fence. I can see it doesn't end where I thought it did. They're further back than what I thought. I need to come in here and clear out. It's about 70 yards, 80 yards, a trail to where he cleared out. If he cleared out, I'll add a pic somewhere towards the end of this. He cleared out a good bit of my land on this side. And I would like to get where I could put a box blind down there and see up on this hill up here where the feeder and stuff's at, and see down it. So it's gonna need to be pretty straight and wide. It's gonna need to be pretty straight and wide. I know you already heard that. But what we need to do is get a mulcher. I can see that not happening before deer season, but maybe this winter. Because I got to do a little bit more work on that bridge to finish it, to make sure it doesn't ever wash out. I'm going to have to rent a piece of equipment to do that. and buy a couple loads of dirt. And I may not have to rent a piece of equipment to do that. I might be able to do it with my little tractor, just put no tire on it. Either way, you know, it's about the same price. Put a tire on, rent a piece of equipment. But I need the tire, so we'll probably put the tire on first. But the rest of this, yeah, we're gonna rent a mulcher. And we're gonna make this lane twice as wide as it is and all the way to his fence line. And all the way to the other neighbor's fence line. And we're gonna make a deer highway. But y'all just see how thick it is back in here. It's pretty thick. I don't know if y'all can see Gunner down there or not. It's pretty thick. Like I say, this video's main purpose was just to update y'all on why the videos are really slowed down. They have been slow because they've been so hot. Hell, it's like 1 o'clock and I'm out here now. It's about 90 degrees, but it ain't like it's been being. Get somewhere to wrap this video up. Alright. If y'all made it this far in this cringy little short video, like, share, subscribe. We're gone, like I say, main video is going to be on Thursday at 6 p.m. like they've been forever. I've just been doing Tuesdays at 6 and Sundays at 6. Tuesday will be the first run over. That's when you're going to see this one. Thursday we got a fishing video. And then it'll probably be next Thursday before y'all get another video. But we'll see. Just depends on what I figure out, where I figure out stuff. Alright. Again, like, share, subscribe.